As you can see, we got chimneys down from the other video and got that all cleaned up and removed. Need to get this furnace out, get that removed and repair that flooring underneath there. The joists are cut. They just cut right through them. And they installed that years ago. But let's get on this floor right here today. I'm going to take off this subfloor and see what we have underneath here. Oh, look at there. Somebody's already beat me to it. That's great. They've already put new floor joists in there at some point. That's great. Saved me a lot of work. I'll just replace this one here, and we'll have all new ones there. This was going to work out really good. Got termite tubes. Termite damage in this 04 joist. It's about 100 years worth. I think this house was probably built 1930s. I can kind of explain what's happened here in this house. There were some comments in an earlier video and why the floor joists did what they did. This house is originally built on piers, and it was exposed underneath here from the outside. And somebody put skirting around the perimeter of the house, and there's no vents. So that did not allow it to breathe. And when they did that, we didn't put any foundation vents in, so this was not allowed to breathe, and it trapped moisture, and that's perfect for termites and rot. So that's what happened, and we will be addressing that in a later video. I'll be putting some foundation vents in. Here I want to share something with you. The people, someone who lived here at one time, came in here and replaced these floor joists. But what they didn't do was fix that section of the outer band or rim joist that was missing. It's all good right there. It's all good out here. And then you get here, it starts deteriorating, and then nothing there. So this front wall here is not being supported properly anyway. I can see it's kind of sitting on the concrete on the front porch, but that's not, going to get it. So I'm going to remove that joist and fix that, and then we'll put the joist back. we got that replaced. Sitting firmly on the pier that was here originally. One down in that corner, sitting on that. And it's sitting on this one in this corner. Right there. So that's going nowhere. I'm gonna add some studs and some blocking to this. That's these joists that are decayed. I'll just put a stud right in here on that wall, carry it all the way to the top plate, and that'll take care of that. That's a wrap today. We'll get back out here tomorrow and start putting down some of these floor joists, get this floor finished up. But I'm liking how it's going so far. So we see you in the morning.